beautiful short signal showed up today, guys, on the master indicator, allowing us to nail 400 ticks as we smashed the close. So let's get into it, folks. There is so much to share with you today. I'm going to walk you through all of my live trades here. I'm going to show you my entries, my exits, and my profit targets. And I feel confident that by the time you're done watching this video, you will be absolutely convinced on using volume as your primary trading indicator. Okay, first things first, welcome to the channel, folks. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. It is good to be with you. Today is Wednesday, April 3rd of 2024, and it was once again a day trader's dream. Like, I literally warned you guys last week, right? I did a video warning you that Q2 of 2024 is upon us, right? This is the second quarter of the year, and right now is the time to push pedal to the metal. You understand? I mean, you've really got to step up to the plate, folks, and decide if you want to day trade full time and do it for a living, or are you just a part-timer, a gambler, or some sort of hobbyist? And I say this to my paying customers all the time. If you want to make money trading the market, then you have to have a trading system and a trading strategy that just makes sense. Okay, now what you're seeing on the screen right now is today's live price action chart of the NASDAQ. This is my all-time favorite symbol. Yes, you can trade the NASDAQ on Forex, on futures and stocks and options. This particular symbol is a day trader's dream. Why? Because this thing is averaging well over 1,000 ticks every single day, or pips if you follow along in Forex. Okay, now I dare you to find any other symbol that's moving 1,000 ticks every single day. I mean, it's unheard of, okay? So anyway, let me get you guys dialed into two of my live trades that I took during the last 90 minutes of trading. If you guys and gals recall, especially those of you that have been following me for a long time, there's a theory that I believe in, and I published a video about this like maybe a week ago, and that theory involves something called smashing the close. All right, I've observed that there is a tremendous amount of volume that comes into the market during the last 90 minutes of each trading session. And so if you're smart and you're diligent and you know exactly what to look for, then wow, can you make a lot of money just smashing the close. All right, now many of you guys and gals already know this green and red color band that you see overlaid on top of the chart is our proprietary volume indicator color band. You guys already know this is the #1 indicator in the world to use volume to nail the trend. There is literally nothing else like this on the planet. And this particular indicator is what me and all of my customers use to keep ourselves on the right side of the trend. Now, case in point, what I want to draw your attention to is this moment in time right here. All right, can you see how the volume shifts from green into red at this exact moment in time? Right? The market is signaling to you and giving you a clue that there's a potential trend change to the downside, and the odds favor the market selling off from this point and onwards. You understand? And how I train my people with respect to how to insert best practices to trade a potential trend change, right, is to always focus on trading the retracement. Okay, because when you trade a retracement, man, think about what you're doing, right? Like, you're looking for super high probability setups to enter the market on a pullback within the context of an overall prevailing trend. You follow? All right, and so take a look at my entries right there, folks. All right, you can see that I had to trade the NASDAQ twice today. The first short trade that I took was definitely a break-even trade. I was able to make a little bit of money, but if you can see my marker here, let me get this arrow out of the way. Okay, if you see my marker, I took profits, but I also broke even on the second half of that first short trade. However, take a look at that second retracement opportunity. I mean, look at this thing, man. Look at this thing turn red, all right? Establish a nice downtrend and then pull back, pull back, pull back, nice and deep. This is one of the deepest retracements I've ever seen. Folks, when you see this deep retracement, you better pounce on it. All right, because the market's signaling to you that if a sell-off comes, boy, is it going to be vicious, man, right? So I had to pounce on this short trade. My entry was right there. The stop loss goes 1 or 2 ticks above the signal bar's high. And then take a look at where I got to break even a second time. Okay, locked in some profits. So far, so good. But more important than anything else, guys and gals, take a look at where I was able to take profits on this trade. Close to 400 ticks in profit by simply trading volume. So don't you dare tell me, guys and gals, that trend trading doesn't work. You've heard me say this 1,000 times, man. If you're a diligent trader and you have the right system and you know what to look for, then my goodness, day trading is going to become an absolute pleasure, guys and gals. So I'd like to give a big shout out and congratulations to all of my new customers who got off the sidelines, made a conscious decision to get involved and learn how to trade a trend. I'm so glad that you guys were able to witness with your very own eyes how to use volume to trade a trend with a shocking degree of accuracy. Okay? And you know what, man? I literally cannot wait to show you how this trading system and this indicator is going to perform tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.